I'm back. I'm back with another video, especially on December 31st, I guess. Yeah, December 31st. As I said in my previous video, it was all about wishing you guys a very wonderful and jubilant year 2021. These are my resolution for the for this coming year. Basically, I have about four general resolutions. The first resolution is number one is I just want to improve my health. I want to improve my health this year when it comes to mental health and especially my physical health. I just want to try and to eat better, and there are certain nutrients I'm trying not to consume, and I'm trying not to eat as much salt and sugar as even though I don't eat sugar that much, but I'm trying to work on that. And after that, the next resolution is friendship and a relationship. So I'm just gonna be a little bit more open in 2021. I'm gonna try to put time for that for relationship, guys, because it's very important to work on relationships when it comes to with people, with strangers. I've always been very open to strangers because I believe that guests are there's an Indian proverb which says that guests are gods. I do believe in this proverb. The thing that happened to Moses, when to Abraham, when Abraham said that if you read the Bible is a very interesting document, full of truths and full of ideologies as well. But there are a lot of fundamental truths in the Bible, as well as in the Quran, the Veda, the Taoism philosophy. So basically, is to be more open to guests, to be more open to strangers, and you can build relationship with them and friendship with them, and etc. So I'm trying to be a little bit more open. I'm always been open, but I'm trying to do that. I'm trying to expand myself a little bit to others. I've been a little bit. I'm very introverted. I'm a very introverted guy, and I tend to put all my energy inside. I'm not shy, but I'm not very open. I'm open. Basically, this is both an authentic thing, a good thing, and a bad thing. Um, I'm trying to work in the bad part of it so that I can improve. And the next thing is that I want to improve my studies when it comes to my degrees and things that I'm doing basically for myself, like things that I'm reading, things that I'm doing in life in general. I'm trying to push a little bit higher my standards when it comes to my learning, activities. So I'm trying to do that. I'm just going to continue with what I've been doing for the past um, 5 or 6 years. Okay. Next thing is the next thing is resolution is the fourth resolution is basically about this project, which is Self-Taught POLYGLOT. I want to upload more videos on the YouTube channel, and also I want to upload videos tutorials when it comes to language learning, and I really want to integrate language learning alongside with other things that I'm basically doing in life, like how do I tackle my the thing that I do on a daily basis, and what philosophy that I use in order to be who I am. So I'm just going to embrace my philosophy, the philosophy of different people that I consider master. For example, Lao Tzu, with his philosophy in Taoism, and also Stoicism. I'm also going to be interested a lot. I'm going to be reading other philosophers, the philosophers that I haven't read. Like I read philosophy myself, so I'm going to give a lot of time to that. So I'm going to upload videos on Self-Taught POLYGLOT, especially on YouTube, and I'm trying to do it consistently and bring you guys a lot of tutorials, things that you're gonna need when it comes to language learning, and if you need something in life in general, I'm trying to bring that. So it's a hell of a thing. It's a great opportunity for me. It's an honor to be here today to talk to you guys, and I hope to see you 2021. We're going to be jubilant. We're going to be full of energy. We're going to have a lot of stuff to say. So I hope to use a lot of Haitian Creole in my videos, because I know a lot of people that are watching, they're basically Haitian. I've seen that. I have 30% of my audience are from Haiti, so I need to put content in Haitian Creole and maybe in French, so that I can integrate these people in my audience. So this is a little project, Self-Taught Polyglot. I hope it's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fantastic this coming year, and you guys can participate with me. You can learn with me. You can develop yourself with me. You can learn a lot with me, and basically, I can also learn from you guys. So I'm very open. You can send me any feedback, especially on YouTube and Facebook. So I guess that I'm gonna basically see everything. So thank you guys, and that's I guess that's gonna be the last video for 2020, and I hope to upload it by 2020, 21 tonight, or maybe next year. So thank you guys for all your support and your time you take to watch my videos. It means so much to me, and I really appreciate that. And I hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you.